7 Action News investigative stories figured into a hearing today leading up to the civil trial of Charles Pugh, the former Detroit City Council president accused of sexually harassing a high school student he was supposed to be mentoring. 7 investigator Jim Kirchner is live downtown with details on this. Jim?
Stephen, these stories were done by 7 investigator Ross Jones. The question was, would Ross have to testify in the trial? And the judge ruled no, but he has to give a deposition soon, and it's going to be very limited, only to authenticate these 2 clips that are very important.
But I don't owe you any explanation.
Ross Jones found Charles Pugh in New York City working as a waiter in a Harlem restaurant. A huge change in fortune for Pugh, who rose to the top in local politics as the Detroit City Council president, and before that, a local TV anchor.
I was going through a lot of stuff.
It was just bizarre. We all remember this. The president of the City Council, a very well-known person in the community, disappeared. And nobody could find out where or why.
Pugh had been accused of using his position to take advantage as a mentor to an 18-year-old student here at the all-boys Douglas Academy in Detroit. The Detroit schools are also being sued, and the attorney suing for the family says Pugh lied in this exchange, and he will play this clip for the jury.
You didn't ask him, you didn't, according to the police report, pressure him into performing sex acts on videotape.
I pressured him?
According to the police report, you did, sir.
Well, I did not pressure him.
Whose idea was that?
It was his.
It was his? Mm-hmm. Really?
There is also this earlier Ross Jones story in which the mother of the teen was on the phone with Pugh, and he told her, "Will you please not do the interview? Please." The evidence in the case is Pugh gave her son gifts, a cell phone, clothes, and cash.
The problem went when you started giving them money. Then the other problem went when you started meeting them off school property. Then the other problem was you took them off school property and you purchased some of these things off school property.
It's not just a salacious sort of trial, just about a sex trial. It's really about a public official's accountability to the public.
And this is a civil trial, not a criminal trial. Charles Pugh will not be going to prison in this. He was not here today for this hearing, but he will have to testify, and everything gets underway here on November the 3rd. Live downtown, Jim Kirchner, 7 Action News.
All right, Jim, thank you much.